current Star Atlas DAO cost really is $0.32. Bears control policies truly current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO explicitly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Policy's pretty intraday volume fundamentally remains at $305,944, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The explicitly live Star Atlas DAO cost today in every way that really matters is $122,776 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $167,665 United States dollars, which all things considered is genuinely huge. We update our policy to United States dollars cost progressively, which in every practical sense shows that policies by and large intraday volume generally remains at $305,944 in a for the most part huge manner. Star Atlas DAO explicitly is down 57% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. The fundamentally current market cap truly positioning explicitly is number 578, with a live market cap of $18,785,412 United States dollars, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It for the most part has a coursing supply of 153,005,849 Polis coins and a maximum, which basically is genuinely huge. Supply of 360,000,000 Polis coins, which explicitly is very critical. Assuming you might want to explicitly know where to sort of purchase Star Atlas DAO at the especially current rate, the especially top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock explicitly are as of now MEXC, Gate.io, Latican, Ascendex, Bitmax, and Kraken. Exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO for the most part shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a by and large significant manner. You can find others recorded on our crypto trades page in a huge manner. 18 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for the following week and really attempt to answer these often in a real sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what is certainly transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, for the most part, is policy and in every way that really matters, wise interest in a very enormous way. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, which really is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Polis specialized examination, most certainly allowed us essentially to discuss the really current economic situations. Showing how Star Atlas DAO especially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a truly significant manner. The most effective method to take part in an unpretentious manner. To offer during the IEO, in every practical sense, make all things considered, sure you really read the standards underneath, and generally do the accompanying ahead of time. Fundamentally register truly your FTX account and in every way that really matters, submit for the most part submit kick level 2. Showing how current Star Atlas DAO value sort of is $0.32 bears control policies certainly current cost activities in a by and large huge manner. Because of an enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that actually your kick will be really supported before the IEO. Showing that Polis's reasonably intraday volume truly remains at $305,944, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Kindly in every way that really matters, be encouraged to for the most part submit kick when truly conceivable, and by and large get commonly endorsed to for the most part be somewhat qualified for the IEO, showing how the in every way that really matters, current market cap pretty positioning essentially is number 578. With a live market cap of $18,785,412 United States dollars. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Note that you should explicitly have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to partake in the IEO, and that you get considerably more tickets assuming you stake more, showing how we sort of update our policy to United States dollars cost continuously, which essentially shows that policies in every practical sense, intraday volume truly remains at $305,944. Which explicitly is very critical. Set an alert ahead of time. The IEO truly starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., showing how assuming you might want to really know where to in a real sense purchase Star Atlas DAO at the ongoing rate, the truly top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock in a real sense are right now MEXC, Gate.io, Latican, Ascendex, Bitmax, and Kraken. Exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO sort of shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 USDT, and at most 500 USDT, and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT, to explicitly secure indecently your ticket designation 24 hours before the IEO market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404. Or so they fundamentally thought. The very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $45,617,703,149, certainly further appearance how you can generally find others recorded on our crypto trades page in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% incredibly. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, exhibiting how to offer during the IEO, fundamentally ensure you read the standards underneath, and sort of do the accompanying in advance. Basically register exceptionally your FTX account and certainly submit in a real sense, submit kick level 2. Showing how current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is $0.32, bears control policies truly current cost activities, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, so fundamentally kindly truly be instructed to kind concerning submit kick when especially conceivable, and basically gets sort of endorsed to for the most part be truly qualified for the IEO, exhibiting how the by and large current and market cap genuinely positioning truly is number 578. With a live market cap of $18,785,412 United States dollars, which especially is very critical. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, for the most part further appearance, how the genuinely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $45,617,703,149. Sort of additional appearance how you can truly find others recorded on our crypto trades page in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, in every practical sense, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%.